Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Tech page. In this video, I will show you how to fix cannot install the update error when trying to install watchOS 7. Solution 1 is restart your Apple Watch on iPhone. Press and hold the side button until you see the power off slider. Now drag it to turn off your watch. Once you turned off, wait for a few seconds and turn it on back. To restart your iPhone, go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Again scroll down and tap Shutdown. Now drag the slide to power off slider to right side to turn off your iPhone. Then wait for a minute and turn it on back. Solution 2 is delete photos and music. To do this, open Settings app on your watch and tap on General. Next, tap on Usage. Review the apps at the top of the list. These take the most space in your watch. Delete them to free up space. Solution 3 is force restart your watch. Press and hold the side button and digital crown at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Solution 4 is unpair and repair your watch. Go to Watch app on your iPhone. Next, tap on all watches at the top left. Now tap on Info icon next to your connected Apple Watch. Here, tap on Unpair Apple Watch. Now enter your Apple ID password and tap Unpair. Once you unpair, wait for a minute and repair them. Solution 5 is factory reset your watch. Open Settings app on your watch. Next, tap on General, then scroll down and tap Reset. Now tap on Erase all content and settings. Next, enter the passcode of your watch. Tap Erase all to confirm this process, then set it up as new watch. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech page.